fall decorations from last year and the year before it and the previous years, because I'm gonna go shopping. But before I go shopping, I want to make sure that I don't buy extra stuff that I don't need, or maybe things that I have. So it's super late, but I still want to decorate my kitchen. And I know I'm super late on the updates on the kitchen, but I promise you guys the kitchen will be done pretty soon. Okay, so bear with me. But for now, I do want to share with you guys my fall decoration. I want to get all my fall decoration out and see what I have, and go to the store and get some more items. And I really need to get this house furnished because I can hear my echo. So let's get stuff out and we'll see from there. I can find like an orange type of color, so that's why I have a red one, because I had an extra one from Christmas. And this one I had it on the Halloween, because I always use this one for Halloween as well, because I mean it's pumpkin. So I have this, and then this is super old and super dusty. Can you tell? It's super dusty. I'm still gonna use it because my purpose on this year is to utilize everything that I have, so I won't purchase a lot of items, which I only want to buy pillows. That's all I want to focus in this year. Just a few pillows, at least for fall. Even though I do have a lot of pillows, and I didn't have no more space. So this is, you see, this is the bin of the fall item only, because this one up here, it's all fall, all pillows, which I'm in love with this one. And I only use this one for Halloween. So I'm gonna leave it in here, but I only have 3 pillows, which I have this 2 that I purchased last year at Walmart, and this 2 matching one that I bought at Big Lots. Let's see the bottom part. In the bottom, so it smells like fall. Smells like pumpkin. I'm pretty sure I have like it's this one. It still has a lot of it in here. This is hand soap and lotion. I bought them at Ross. This one still has the little container. They were less than $6. I know that they weren't $6, but this is all I have. Hopefully, and again, it's all the colors that I don't like, but I mean, since I am doing a lot of things in the kitchen and everything, I'm not gonna have time to like repurpose them and color and paint them and do a DIY on them. So I'm just gonna use them the way they are. Oh, these are the ones that smells. It's this one. It smells like cinnamon. Oh, it smells so delicious. But yeah, I don't have a lot of fall decorations. But again, I always only want to focus on the pillows. So yeah, that's all we're gonna buy. So this is not even a lot. Once I go get the other items, I'm going to show you guys this at the end. Okay, so let's go to the store.
It is holiday season. It is fall. I did went to Homegoods to try to see if I can find a few items to add into my collection. I had no luck at all. Probably I did waited a long time, and plus the store near my house, it's always empty. It was super empty that I was really surprised that there was literally nothing, even for like the Halloween items. It wasn't a lot, and I was surprised, but I did pick up a few items. I picked up a few decorations, not a lot, because like I said, I don't want to decorate a lot for fall. It is past the month, and I usually do decorate in August, but I did pick up a few items, and you'll see at the end, you can see in here that I do have a lot of orange items, and I know that I said before I don't like that color, but all of these are collectibles from like the dollar store, the dollar spot at Target, and I just don't want to do a DIY on them this year. So we're going to be working with the items that I have for this year and just try to decorate where I am able to. As you guys know, my kitchen, it's not done. I know it's taking forever, but I promise you guys I am going to be done pretty soon. But for now, I do want to share with you guys my collection from previous years. As you guys can see, I do have a lot of white pumpkins, and especially because that's one of the colors that I want to use throughout the years. And little by little, I will be doing a DIY on all of the orange ones and, probably paint them. You guys can see in here that I did pick up a few leaves last year at the dollar store. And I wanted to do a DIY, but this year it just has been a little cuckoo. But yeah, for now, we're just going to work with what we have. I do have a lot of these decorations that I usually used outside. This one is a new one from like the dollar store. And I do use a lot of these items for Halloween, which I'm really, really excited for Halloween. But I still want to decorate for fall at least a week since my little one loves when I do decorate. This hay in here, it's also from the dollar store, and I wanted to do a full different theme this year. But again, I'm just going to use what I have. We're going to work with what I have. A lot of these items are like my favorites, like this one. It is a candle. I didn't clean it up last year because it still has candle in there. And when I did open my bin earlier, it smells delicious. I do love owls, so I try to always look for owls items. You guys can see in my hands, I do have an owl as a tattoo. I do have a lot of probably like 2 sets of salt and pepper shakers. Again, I really don't know what it is. It's probably some of the items that are orange, because I do love a few items that are orange, but for some reason, I just don't know how to explain it. If you guys can help me in here, some of the items are just not my favorite, and probably because of the color. I think it's of the color, but probably it's just the way it is. And probably if I do like my way or do a little bit of a different color in it, I would love it. Like this truck in here, I love the way it is. The green color with the orange pumpkins are really, really nice, but it's just some items that I really don't like. That's why a lot of these items are more like a wood tone, like this owl. I did bought them last year and I just didn't want to paint them. Again, some of these items are used 2 months, probably because I do use them for Halloween. I did pick up all of these frames last year. Some of them are from Ross, like this one, it is from Ross. And the other ones are from like the dollar store and Target. Those are like usually the stores that I do buy every single year. And these are the new items that I add into the collection. Again, I love white and black, and I'm starting to like all the gold tones. I think that's why I went with this. This one was $12.99. And also this one, I was really upset when I got home though, because it's supposed to light in the night. It has like a LED lights in the inside, and it was $14.99, but I didn't test it when I did bought it at Homegoods. When I saw it, I just bought it because it did had like the little plastic in the middle. I just didn't want to take it out. And when I got home, it didn't want it to turn on. I'm pretty sure like the little light bulb, it's broken, or I don't know, but I love the way it is. I also did pick up this jar. It really isn't pumpkin fall related, but I do want to use it for my coffee bar area and try to put things in there. Also this one as well, I love the shape of it, and I'm probably going to throw in there all of these leaves and a few pumpkins to make it a little bit more fall festive. Again, all of these leaves are from last year and the previous ones. And this big pumpkin, it's collection with all of the little ones. It was a big set that I did bought at Big Lots, the same way with these pillows. The only thing that I pick up for pillows was this one. I know it's not fall related. I guess you can say it is fall because, it's for Halloween, but I loved it. Let me know in the comments down below if you love it. It was only $16.99, and hopefully I am able to go and look for more Halloween items so I can share with you guys my Halloween items. I did want to share with you guys a little bit of a fall collection that I do have, and try to show you guys that you can still use a lot of items from in like the dollar store, super inexpensive, and make your house look pretty and festive. And that's what we're gonna be doing in here. I do want to share with you guys my table setup in my living room and have a little bit of a festive feel when you go into your house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also share the video if you love fall hauls or decorate with me or cleaning motivation. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.